A wire transfer is just a method of electronically transferring funds from an account at one financial institution to an account at another institution. To begin the wire, I'll select Transfers and Payments, and then Wire. For a one-time wire, I'll select Wire Money. If you'll be wiring money to the same beneficiary on a regular basis, you can build a template and select Wire Money via Template for subsequent wires to the same recipient. First, I'll indicate the type of wire. In this case, I'll choose Domestic Wire. My other options are Foreign Currency International Wire or a US Dollar International Wire. If I'd like to build a template for subsequent wires, I'll enter a name here. I'll select the account from which this wire will be sent, and then I can enter a future date or leave the default date, which is today's business date. Now I'll enter the amount of this wire and continue. Next, I'll enter the recipient information. If you were sending wires in the gateway system or directly with our wire room, you'll need to enter the same information about the receiving bank and beneficiary account as before. At a minimum, you'll need to enter the routing number of the receiving institution and the name and physical address of the wire recipient. An intermediary bank is a bank that acts on behalf of the beneficiary bank. The intermediary bank will receive the wire payment before it is ultimately credited to the recipient bank and beneficiary account. If necessary, the recipient of a wire should provide you with this information. Now I'm ready to review this wire and verify all of the information. If changes are necessary, I'll click Edit this request. Once I've verified the wire information, I'll click Submit for approval. Now that I've submitted this wire for approval, I receive a wire confirmation page. To approve this wire, I'll click Approve Wires from the left-hand panel. If there is more than one wire pending approval, I'll select the wire or wires I want to approve, and then I'll click the Continue button. Once I've verified this wire request and I'm ready to approve it, I'll click Transmit. And I'll be prompted to select the method of receiving the one-time security code for this wire request via phone call or text. I'll click Continue, and I receive the wire approval confirmation. The wire is on its way.